Good afternoon everyone. So today we're at a Dacia Logan MCV, and this is the 2015 model 1.5 DCI. So the customer's complaint with this is the engine light comes on. Well, it's been on for a good few months and the thing goes into limp home mode. Well, when I say the engine light, that's actually, I believe that's the DPF light. And because it's a little diesel, it's a 1.5 Renault engine that's in this thing. So it goes into limp home mode and it loses power. So I'll let you see what the code is. So there's the code there, a DF1003. Differential pressure sensor circuit, particle filter performance or operation incorrect. So I gave this a test drive and it's the funniest thing you've ever seen. Well, I've never came across this anyway. So let's go into the data. Oops, sorry about this. So read data stream. We'll type up here particle. So we'll touch this here, select the lot, go OK. Right, so you can see this one down here, particle filter differential pressure correction, and the one underneath it, particle filter pressure differential. So the light's on, and if I rev this, we get no response, right? So what I then have to do is turn the key off, put the ignition off, back on, go back in, clear the fault memory, OK, memory completed, read the DTC, it's gone, go back into data stream, type particle, so we'll go suit, pressure, we'll just take them, we'll just select a lot. Right, so watch this, we'll then start her, and she reads, there we go, she reads 4. So I was watching this down the road, and this actually cuts out as we're going along the road. So let's see, we'll get this up. So the amount of pressure that's in it at idle, 5 hectopascals, that's about a fifth of PSI or something like that, negligible. And then we've cleared the light, you knew that. But if we go down the road, we take a drive down the road, you'll actually see it dropping out. So I'm wondering, is it either the sensor, or is it the pipe work going to the sensor, or is it the wiring? But it's strange, as soon as it goes into fault mode, it'll not read anything. So let's hold her at 3000. So they were at 10 hectopascals. And I wonder if it'll cut out here, because driving along the road it did go to 0. No, it's been flawless. That was about a minute I sat and revved it there, so nothing but, see, watch this, even when I rev it, that should go up a lot higher than that. So to me it's more like a leak, and we've been at one of these before where it was a little pipe at the back, it was burst or leaking, and I'm wondering if going along the road that the movement of the engine is causing it to open up. So what I was thinking we could do, we could eyeball it, put a smoke test up the exhaust pipe and see if we can see anything coming through that pipe. So that may be the easiest thing to do first of all. But I'll show you, the code has certainly never came back. Read DTCs, that's good. Read data stream. In fact, go back to see how much it thought was loaded in the particle. Select all. So you can see that figures, you can see flow of gas inside the particle filter, but that must be the NOx sensor. Kilometres after replacing the particle filter, that's always at 0. That's strange. Then you've got a temperature, that's at 4. Reference value, soot 0.23 grams, that's negligible, and everything else looks fine. So we'll go and take it a run, we're already in, I'll let you see the figures. So we're taking it a drive. I've just kept up 3 PID, so we've got the pressure, So if we watch this one, go away. There it's dropped out. Right, there's the first drop out. The light's not on yet. And then we'll get another drop out. We're alright at the moment. There we go, it's actually going, the more Roddy accelerates, it's going down the way. So I think we should get the light on soon. We're flying. That's not right. Not unless this car's been tampered with, I do not know. What's that, my man? I think it's a badly made car. They're not made in Romania. There's a drop out there I was telling you about. But what we'll do, we'll go back and get rid of some of them. I'll just let you see this. So we'll just go for the one. Oh, there's a light on. So you see when the light comes on, graph, it goes flat line. It just ignores that sensor and we didn't get a reading. So we'll stop along here, we'll clear it and we'll go back into it. So there you go, we cleared the code and we're back in business again. So we'll give her a shimmy up the road. See that? Ah, there we go. First drop out. Second drop out. We'll be getting the light soon. I think maybe the engine movement, eh?
Yeah. Take the throttle on there.
I know. Ah, that's a constant, isn't it? But to me that's not going high enough. So that's a problem, child. These dropouts. Here we go. Oh, that took a dive. Oh, they're going down, down, down. The light should be coming on soon. Pressure only ever goes up in an exhaust. There's another big dropout there at the end. Oh, light on. Right, we're going into the workshop. Point proven. So there's a little engine there, and that's a Renault engine. I'm sure this is a K9K. So from memory, we reckon the sensor we're looking to attack is down the back. But I think maybe we're going to wait till it cools down and do a smoke test. See what that's like. I thought this was, we had one I watch and this was a sensor here. But this is a turbo pressure sensor. And the reason I found that out is you just simply disconnect it and it pops up with the code turbo pressure sensor. So it ain't that, so down the back we're going to have a look. So I went into all data, just typed in particle pressure sensor for locating this thing, and it says remove the engine under tray and engine under bolts and under tray, and it seems to be, there's a diagram what it looks like there. Disconnect the particle pressure sensor, remove the particle pressure sensor. So I phoned my supplier and they cannot get a part number for this, so we need to get it off and see what the part number is and provide them with that. But we need to check the wiring as well, because it looks like it's just got a short hose, so let's go and have a look. Contrary to all data, it's not underneath, it's down the back here. So it's held in with a little 6mm plug, and there it's, you can see Roger's got the magic mirror. And we took the 6mm plug out and we just went and pulled in it, and here the hose split. So was it a black one, Roddy? Split? Black one. So this is a pest to do, but we need to make up get it out, make up a couple of hoses and put it back together. Well known issue. So there's the pipe extracted, and funnily enough, it's always the black when it goes. So there's the length we need. We'll just make up our own along with our Huggies. Oh, look at that, perfect. Easy job to get at. There's the sensor down the back there. There, you've took it away with the bolt. And you've got to work away with a mirror to release, what did you do with the clips, Rudy? Aye. These clips there, they are a paste. So we use this gizmo here to get into them. But you can manage to rotate them to with your finger to get to the right spot. So, but oh, very, very difficult. So let's get this on. Well, so we're getting a higher pressure now, even just revving it here at the side of the road, and what we did, so you can see where it. See where it. 3,000 RPM, and we're getting 38 hectopascal. So let's run it down the road.
Shift, eh?
Ah, you get a gun. Well, that's again a gun. Oh, that's perfect. It's alright. In fact, you'll get your most airflow in first gear, will we know, eh? When we take off. So this is our test drive. That's it, 120 hectopascals. Oh, listen to that. Oh dear. Aye, that's it. Brilliant.